we're going to talk about something many people think about but don't always say out loud.
Yes, we're talking about changing careers.
Maybe you feel stuck in your job.
Maybe you want something new.
Maybe you feel scared to make a change.
Or maybe you're excited but also nervous.
Changing careers can feel scary.
But it can also feel exciting and full of possibility.
And today, we'll talk about how to discuss changing careers in English using simple, natural expressions.
We'll share vocabulary, personal stories, and real-life feelings.
So if you've ever thought, I want a different job, this episode is for you. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Simple English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Kevin. It's so good to be here with you today. How are you feeling today, Ashley?
I'm feeling thoughtful.
Thoughtful. That sounds serious.
Not serious, just reflective.
Reflective is a great word. It means thinking deeply about your life or choices.
Exactly. And today's topic makes me reflect a lot.
Because we're talking about changing careers.
Yes. And I think many adults go through this at least once in their life.
Definitely.
Before we start, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good. A little tired, but good.
Long day?
Yes, meetings, emails, coffee, more meetings.
That sounds familiar.
And that actually connects to our topic. Sometimes people feel tired of the same routine,
Yes, the same tasks, the same environment.
and they start thinking, is this what I want forever?
That's a big question. Let's begin simple.
Okay.
What does it mean to change careers?
Changing careers means moving from one type of job or industry to another,
For example, someone who works in finance decides to become a teacher.
or someone who works in marketing decides to become a chef.
That's a big change.
Yes, a career change is usually bigger than just changing companies.
Good point. Changing companies means you stay in the same field but work somewhere else.
But changing careers means starting something different. Exactly.
Have you ever thought about changing careers?
Pauses, smiles. Yes.
Really?
Yes. A few years ago, I felt stuck.
Stuck is a very useful word.
Yes, stuck means you feel unable to move forward.
Like you're in the same place for too long.
Exactly. I liked my job, but I didn't feel excited anymore.
That sounds familiar.
I would wake up and think, is this it?
Wow, that's honest.
Yes, I started to question my path.
Question your path. I like that phrase.
It means to think deeply about your direction in life.
So, what did you do?
First, I felt scared.
Of course.
Fear is normal when you think about change.
Very normal.
Let's talk about common feelings when people think about changing careers.
Okay.
Nervous,
Excited.
confused.
Overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed means feeling like everything is too much.
You might say, I feel overwhelmed thinking about starting over.
Starting over is another good phrase,
It means beginning again from the beginning.
and that can feel scary.
Why do people change careers?
Many reasons.
Maybe they feel burned out.
Burned out means extremely tired and stressed from work.
Maybe they want better work-life balance.
Work-life balance means having enough time for work and personal life.
Or maybe they discover a new passion.
Passion means something you deeply enjoy.
Sometimes people say, I want to follow my passion.
That's very common. When I was thinking about changing careers, I asked myself one question.
What was it?
If I stay here for 5 more years, will I be happy?
That's powerful.
It helped me think clearly.
And what was your answer?
Smiles. I wasn't sure.
That's honest.
Yes, sometimes the hardest part is not knowing. So we talked about feeling stuck.
Yes, and feeling scared or overwhelmed.
But what happens after that feeling?
Good question. After the feeling comes thinking.
A lot of thinking.
Maybe too much thinking.
Yes, sometimes we overthink.
Overthink means thinking too much about something.
You think about every possible problem,
Every possible mistake.
and that can stop you from moving forward.
Exactly.
When I was thinking about changing careers, I didn't quit my job immediately.
That's smart.
I started small.
Small steps are less scary.
Yes, first I did research.
Research means looking for information.
I read articles, I watched videos, I talked to people.
Talking to people is very helpful.
Yes, I reached out to friends who worked in different industries.
Reach out means contact someone.
Exactly. I asked them about their daily work.
That's a great idea.
It helped me understand what the new career was really like.
Because sometimes we imagine a job is perfect.
But reality can be different.
Very true. Another important topic is transferable skills.
That's a very useful phrase.
Transferable skills are skills you can use in different jobs.
For example, communication skills
Or teamwork.
or problem solving.
Even if you change industries, these skills are still valuable.
Exactly.
You might say, I developed strong communication skills in my previous job.
Or, my experience taught me how to manage time effectively.
Manage time means organize your time well.
That's something every employer likes.
Let's talk about something real.
Okay.
Fear of failure.
Yes, that's a big one.
When you change careers, you might think, what if I fail?
What if I'm not good enough?
What if I regret my decision?
Regret means wishing you didn't do something.
Fear can stop people from trying.
But staying in a job you dislike can also be painful.
That's true.
Sometimes we're more afraid of change than unhappiness.
That's a deep thought.
I have those sometimes.
Some people think they are too old to change careers.
Yes, I hear that often.
I'm too old to start over.
But that's not always true.
I know someone who changed careers at 45.
What did they do?
She left corporate work and became a teacher.
Wow, that's inspiring.
She said she felt alive again.
That's powerful.
Age can bring experience.
And experience is valuable. Another big concern is money.
Yes, financial stability is important.
Financial stability means having enough money to feel secure.
Some career changes require training or education,
That can cost money.
so planning is important.
You might save money before making the change.
Or start part-time.
Yes, many people test the new career while still working their old job.
That reduces risk.
Exactly.
Changing careers is not only practical, it's emotional.
Very emotional.
You might feel excited one day.
And terrified the next day.
Terrified means extremely scared.
That's normal.
Big changes bring big feelings.
But growth often happens outside your comfort zone.
Comfort zone means a place where you feel safe and familiar,
Leaving your comfort zone can help you grow.
even though it feels uncomfortable.
Looking back, I'm glad I didn't ignore my feelings.
What do you mean?
When I felt stuck, I listened to that feeling.
Instead of ignoring it.
Yes, it was a signal.
A signal that something needed to change.
Exactly. But I didn't rush.
Rushing can cause mistakes.
Yes, I thought carefully. I made a plan.
That sounds responsible.
It took time.
Big decisions usually do.
So we talked about fear, planning, money, and age.
Yes, changing careers is not simple.
But it's possible.
Definitely possible.
Now, let's talk about how to speak about career change in English,
Good idea, because sometimes you want to explain your decision clearly.
especially in interviews.
Yes, that's very important.
If someone asks, why did you change careers?
You don't say, I hated my old job.
Yes, that's not a good answer.
Instead, you can say, I was looking for new challenges.
That's a very professional sentence.
Or, I wanted to grow in a different direction.
Or, I discovered a new passion.
Passion means something you deeply enjoy.
You could also say, I wanted to develop new skills.
That sounds positive and motivated.
Employers like positive energy.
When changing careers, you should highlight your transferable skills.
Yes, for example, in my previous role, I developed strong leadership skills.
Or, I learned how to manage projects and communicate with different teams.
That shows experience.
Even if the job is different.
Exactly.
Confidence is very important when you change careers.
Yes, even if you feel nervous inside.
You might say, I'm excited to take on this new challenge.
Or I'm eager to learn and grow in this field.
Eager means very ready and excited.
That's a great word for interviews.
Very positive.
Ashley, let me ask you something.
Okay.
If you had to change careers tomorrow, what would you do?
That's a hard question.
Take your time.
I think I would want something creative.
Like what?
Maybe writing full-time or designing something.
That suits you.
What about you?
I think I would want to teach.
Really?
Yes, I enjoy helping people learn.
That's sweet.
Changing careers is scary, but it can also be exciting.
Yes, it can feel like starting a new chapter.
A new chapter means a new period in your life.
I love that phrase.
So what's the lesson here?
I think the lesson is this. It's okay to question your path,
It's okay to want something different.
but don't rush.
Make a plan
Think carefully,
and believe in your ability to learn new things.
because growth doesn't stop after school.
It continues your whole life,
And sometimes growth means change.
even big change.
If you're listening and thinking about changing careers,
You're not alone.
many people feel the same way.
Take small steps.
Ask questions
Learn new skills,
and trust yourself.
even if you feel scared.
Fear is normal.
But fear doesn't have to control you.
Now, we want to hear from you.
Have you ever changed careers?
Or are you thinking about it right now?
Tell us in the comments.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Speak Simple English.
Give us a like, it helps us so much.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Keep learning
Keep growing.
and keep speaking simple English.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.